In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase video volume with Handbrake in just 5 minutes. If you've ever struggled with video files that are just too quiet, you're certainly not alone. Using Handbrake, an open source video transcoder, can be the perfect solution for you. Let's jump right in and explore how you can adjust the volume for your video files effortlessly. First, you'll need to launch the Handbrake application on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to install it from the official Handbrake website. Once you've got Handbrake up and running, it's time to load the video file you wish to adjust. You can do this in a couple of ways, either click on Open Source and select File, or simply drag and drop the video into the application's interface. This flexibility makes it super convenient no matter your preference. Now, let's navigate to the Audio tab. Here is where all the magic happens. If there's more than one audio track in your video, you'll need to choose the specific track you want to modify. Pay close attention to this step to ensure you're adjusting the right track, especially if your video has background music or multiple languages. After selecting the track, locate the gain setting within the audio options. This setting directly controls the volume increase. You can now proceed to increase the value to your desired level. A little heads up here, the maximum gain is usually around 20 decibels as per multiple Handbrake guides. Increasing beyond this might lead to audio distortion, so I recommend adjusting incrementally and testing to find the sweet spot that achieves the volume boost you need without compromising quality. Once you've finished adjusting the gain, it's time to save your work. Click on Start Encode to begin saving your newly modified video file. Handbrake will now process the video with your specified volume adjustments. Depending on the file size and length, this may take a little time, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee while the encoding finishes up. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to increase video volume using Handbrake. With these steps, you can enjoy videos with enhanced sound levels, whether it's for a presentation, a personal project, or just your viewing pleasure. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment within your projects to get the best results. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.